Welcome to the unboxing of IrisVision Live 2.0. IrisVision is an assistive device designed for people with low vision. Our latest model, Live 2.0, comes packaged in a sturdy black carrying case with a handle on top. On the left side, you will find the charger, which will be used for powering the display unit, along with a cleaning cloth. To the right, you will see a Bluetooth remote, which will be used to control the device, and a lanyard that can be attached to the headset, so you can wear it around your neck. Inside the Live 2.0 headset, you'll find a Google Pixel 7 Pro phone, which the headset uses as its display unit. And now, let's take a look at Live 2.0 itself. The device features 3 adjustment wheels on the top. The wheels on the left and right sides are for adjusting the focus for each eye, while the central wheel, known as the IPD wheel, allows you to adjust the interpupillary distance. The display unit can be detached from the headset by pushing the clip away from the unit. In the following video, we will guide you through the process of powering on the display unit and getting started with your Live 2.0.